Hi, I'm Maitri and I would give the overview of IELTS. IELTS is International English Language Testing System which has two formats. One is academic and one is general. Academic वो लोग choose करते हैं who wants to study abroad for their higher education and general training उनके लिए होता है who want to work abroad or they are looking for PR. Next one is what type of test to choose. Either you can choose computer test or pen and paper test. Talking about computer test, there are advantages as well as disadvantages. Advantages ये है that you can have the facility of headphone or earphone. You will have a large monitor screen which will display passage and questions side by side. और जो words आप लिख रहे हो, the words will be counted and displayed on the screen as well. But you should have good typing speed and there can occur any technical issue and knowledge of technical usage is also a must. Talking about pen and paper, the advantage is that there would be no technical issue और आपको 2 hours के लिए आपको screen को देखना भी नहीं पड़ेगा, which will not strain your eyes. Disadvantages are that if you have bad handwriting, it would affect your result because the examiner will have a problem to check the paper. Passage and question can be on different pages, so you have to turn the pages frequently. And some centers have loudspeakers, so the voice would not be clear. The test structure is listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Talking about listening, listening will be of four parts. The first part will be a conversation between two people. The second part will be a monologue, which will be on a social topic. Part three would be a conversation up to four people, and part four is a monologue again, but the topic will be related to education. There would be total of 40 questions, and after listening to the audio, you would be given 10 minutes extra to copy your answers in the main answer sheet. Next up is reading. Reading may you will have 60 minutes of time and there are total three sections. And after that, you have to answer the questions. The question type would be multiple choice or yes, no, not given, matching the information, headings, sentences, then complete the sentence, note completion, and you have to only write with a pencil. Talking about writing में you will get 60 minutes और दो task हो गए. The task one will be a guided writing. इसमें if you are taking academic, then you have to write a report, and if you are taking general training, then you have to write a letter writing. Both should be at least 150 word. Then task two will be common for both of them. It would be of creative writing where you have to write an essay. Essay can be like first paragraph will be the introduction to paragraph body and the last paragraph would be of conclusion, and word limit is different, so the weightage is also different. The weightage for first task is 15 marks whereas the weightage of second task is 25 marks. Talking about speaking, speaking will be of 11 to 15 minutes. The part 1 will be of introduction of familiar topics, like the interviewer can ask you about your past or the current, what are you doing currently, and even about your future goals or future plannings, that what will you study in the future or about the work. Part 2 will be of cue card. You will be given one cue card and 1 minute for the preparation. After that, you have to give 2 minutes of speech. Then the part 3, the examiner will ask you question related to the cue card and you have to answer the same, and the entire conversation will be recorded. Next up is how to book an IELTS exam. First, go to the website ielts.org, then select book now, select test. Either you want to give computer test or pen and paper test, then select the test module. It can be academic or general training. Select your city and available date and timings. Then fill your personal details and upload the documents. And at the last, complete the payment. Thank you.